Anita played 3 games and had a mean score of 140. Tariq played 2 games and had a mean score of 90. What was the mean of the scores for all 5 of these games? So they say this word mean a lot. What does the word mean? Well, the mean is also known as the average. And the mean in this case would be the total sum of all of the scores divided by the number of scores. So we know that we're supposed to find the mean of 5 scores. So that's the number on the bottom. The question is, what is the total sum? And that'll be the sum including Anita and Tariq. It'll be helpful to note that this formula up here, we can multiply both sides of the equation by the number of scores and get an equivalent but brand new formula that'll really help us. The sum would be equal to the mean times the number of scores. So let's find Anita's sum and Tariq's sum, and we'll find the total sum. So Anita's sum. Using this formula over here, the mean times the number of scores. She had a mean of 140, and she played 3 games, so that's 3 scores. 140 times 3, what is that? 420. What about Tariq? Using the same formula as before, the mean times the number of scores. He had a mean of 90 over the course of 2 games, so that is a sum of 180. Their total sum will be the 2 values added together. So let's do that. So that's a total of 600. That's the value that we put up here and divide by 5. So the mean will be 600 divided by 5. Question is, what is that? 600 divided by 5. I'll use some short division. 5 goes into 6 once, that would be 5, so there's 1 left over. And 5 goes into 10 twice, evenly, no remainder. 5 goes into 0, 0 times, no remainder. So 600 divided by 5 is 120. And that is answer choice C. We should give Anita some credit because she did most of the work.